Hi, this is Asian Zen Beauty. We specialize in providing mind, body, spirit healing to support you. The best time to meditate is right after waking up or before going to sleep. Practice consistently for 7 days, and you will feel inner peace and experience a transformation in your life. This is a brain-cleansing meditation exercise to clear the mind, enhance focus, relieve stress, and restore our thoughts to clarity and efficiency. Now, please find a quiet space and sit down comfortably. You can rest your hands naturally on your knees. Once you're settled, gently close your eyes and turn your awareness inward, focusing on your breath. We will now relax the areas that do not need to be activated. Relax the muscles of your face, relax your shoulders, and relax your arms. Relax your hips and lower abdomen, and relax your legs and feet. As your body relaxes and calms down, your breathing also gradually becomes smooth and deep. You ease into relaxation, and you are now completely at ease. Very good. Continue to breathe naturally and easily. As you inhale, let your abdomen expand. As you exhale, contract inward. Feel the intimate connection with your breath, allowing yourself to return to your body, back to this haven of life that belongs to you. Now, imagine a clear blue sky above your head, so pure, so bright, and your mind slowly becomes more joyful and light. Gradually, you feel yourself beginning to rise, free from the constraints of gravity, steadily and gently ascending. You have reached the clouds, floating freely in them. The sky is azure, the clouds are white, and the breeze is gentle. Your body and mind merge with the purity of this blue sky. Fresh energy passes through your body, and you feel an unprecedented refreshment as layers of information piled up in your mind gradually dissolve and release in this clear energy. Those shadows you've been avoiding, those emotions that have been troubling you, and those limiting beliefs that have been holding you back are all dissolving and releasing. In this fresh and pure energy, your brain continuously and automatically purifies and clears itself, gradually merging with the blue sky. It becomes so open, clear, and transparent that you experience an unprecedented sense of ease, tranquility, and joy. Now, your body begins to slowly descend, returning to the embrace of Mother Earth. With the fresh energy from the sky and a clear, transparent mind, you deeply reconnect with Mother Earth. You will bravely and firmly create your new self and a brand new life. During a difficult time, I found some videos that provided me with direction and calm. I hope this content brings you the same comfort and reminds you that you're not alone. For more, click the link in the comments below.